Penguins Close Up by Lorna Hendry. Penguins are birds. They cannot fly, but they are very good swimmers. There are 17 different kinds of penguins. Penguins are only found in the southern hemisphere. Some penguins live in Antarctica, which is the coldest place on Earth. Penguins often live in very large groups called colonies. Millions of birds can live in one colony. Penguins have excellent eyesight. They can see clearly underwater as well as on land. Penguins can swim faster and dive deeper than any other bird. Their wings act as flippers, and their waterproof feathers keep their skin dry. A thick layer of fat keeps them warm in the cold water. Penguins are very well camouflaged when they are swimming. Their dark feathers on their backs make it hard to see them from above. From below, their white feathers blend into the sunshine, hiding them from predators underneath. Penguins find their chicks by listening for each baby's unique call. Penguins feed their babies by coughing up food from their stomachs. They pour the mixture into the chick's beak. Penguins have to protect their eggs and chicks from birds of prey, such as eagles and hawks. Penguins are hunted by leopard seals, sharks, and killer whales. Emperor penguins are the biggest of all the penguins. They can hold their breath for 20 minutes when they are diving. Emperor penguin chicks sit on their parents' feet for 50 days after they hatch. The ice is too cold for the baby penguins to stand on. Ferry penguins, also called little blue penguins, are the smallest of all the penguins. They are only 13 inches tall. Magellanic penguins and fairy penguins dig holes called burrows. This is where they lay their eggs. Galapagos penguins live close to the equator. They lay their eggs in caves to protect them from the hot sun. They are the rarest of all penguins. Chinstrap penguins live on the icebergs in the winter. They get their name from the black band underneath their beaks. Rockhopper penguins live in steep, rocky places. They hop from rock to rock to get around. Rockhoppers are very loud and noisy. They are not scared of other animals and will attack anything that upsets them. Yellow-eyed penguins live in New Zealand. Like many penguins, they are an endangered species. The biggest threat to the survival of penguins comes from human activities, such as an oil spill or plastic litter. Glossary. Birds of prey. A bird that hunts and eats animals. Camouflage. Markings on an animal that help it blend into the background. Endangered species. A type of animal that is so rare that it might disappear. Equator. The line on a map that goes around the center of the earth. Pollution. Anything that makes the air, land, or sea dirty. Unique. One of a kind.